Hello. Maulan na morning sa inyong lahat. Dito tayo ngayon sa Marcos Highway. Galing tayong Antipolo, inabot tayo ng malakas na ulan. Para maiba naman, record tayo habang malakas ang ulan. To share my experience while riding the Vespa S125. So samahan nyo lang ako. I'm going home. Ay, yun lang. Pati talsik ng kalsada sa lumo. Kakaibang experience ito. Since malakas ang ulan, medyo ramdam ko yung patak ng ulan kasi may raincoat is made of lightweight material. Pero at least waterproof. Ultimate test na to ng aking raincoat. At least I'm wearing a waterproof riding boots. Isang araw gagawin ko rin ng Budol review yan. Saka ko na i-share kung anong brand sa aking next Budol review. First time ko rin kasi hindi nag-check ng weather forecast for today. Sabi ko, umulan man o umaraw, let's ride tayo today. Uy, kumikidlat at kumukulob. I'm near my place na. So, kumusta naman ang aking raincoat? I think it's working. It's waterproof, lightweight. Medyo ramdam mo lang yung patak ng ulan, but I think it works. Kasi kung hindi, dapat feeling ko basang-basa na ako eh. Though I'm not sure here sa may area ng zipper sa mid chest. Pero acceptable naman yun. So it's my first time makaranas ng hard rain. Okay lang naman, pauwi na ako. Pag uwi niyan, hot shower lang, then palit ng damit. I think my raincoat is working. Watch out for my next Budol review, ha? ibubudo review ko tong aking waterproof riding boots or riding shoes. I can feel my medyas dry na dry pa siya. Watch out for that budo review. Salamat sa pagsama sa aking maulan na biyahe pa uwi. Till my next video. Thank you for watching. Ano kaya? Kumusta kaya ang aking damit under the raincoat?